Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. I'm JojoFine01 and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. You guys are amazing. Love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support, guys. And if you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button. Using some new products on this makeup tutorial. I use the B Foundation. A lot of people have asked me to try this foundation, so yeah, the B Foundation by Superdrug. So that's what I use for my face today. So if you want to see I came up with this look using this foundation and the full look, stay tuned for this video, guys. So today I'm going to be reviewing the B Flawless foundation, and they have two types. They have the matte one and they have the one for dry skin, and this is a vegan brand. Like those who are always asking me, oh, vegan makeup, like cruelty free makeup, like makeup that are not tested on animals and all that. So yeah, it is C9 and this foundation has SPF of 15. So the foundation, what some people don't know what SPF means. SPF means like sunscreen, sun protection, like protect your skin. You understand? So anything that has SPF, I'm in for it. So this has SPF of 15. Mostly during the summer because the sun is out today. I like using SPF products during the summer. All year round, I use SPF products. So I'm also going to be trying out their concealer. Flawless Duo concealer, just like this, and they sent me the shade N8/W9. Okay, let's begin. First of all, I've already moisturized my skin. I use my facial oil. This is how it looks like. I'll leave it at the description bar. You can get this from Amazon. Prime my face. I'm going to use 2 primer today because the sun is hot. It's about 20 something degrees, and fine, I can only use one, but maybe I'll miss 2. So I'll use the Kiko matte base primer and the Too Faced hangover primer. A Kiko primer for summer because this is matte. This will make my face so dry that if you're a dry skin girl or a combination skin, moisturize before using this primer. This primer is really cheap. I think they've discontinued this packaging, or they've discontinued this concealer, sorry, this primer, or they repackaged it. I don't know. These people, I don't know. Sometimes they will repackage their old product and just rename it. They don't think I know. I know. They will think I don't know. I know. Majority of brands these days do it. They just repackage their old product and give it a new name to make us buy it again. How is the coverage of this foundation? The foundation, they say long lasting, light to medium coverage. So this is not full coverage. This is a light to medium coverage. I'm just using the Nip and Fab color correcting concealer. This is my fave. Using the Lisa brush. I'll use this to blend because I don't want to use my finger. The B Cosmetic Flawless Foundation in C9. There's not enough shade for dark skin in this foundation. That's how I feel. So yeah. So this is the best like match I could find, so let nobody come for me. I am trying. I did try. Then I'll blend it out with the Eloise Beauty Eloise Beauty teardrop brush because I have to, one for contouring and one for foundation. I'm going to apply illuminator underneath this foundation. I use illuminator most of the time, so I would like to see how the foundation will hold up with the illuminator. So illuminator is liquid highlighter, like to make your body glow, to make your face glow. The Fenty body glow, since we don't have that, we use the one we have, like we go manage. The Eloise Beauty illuminator in 24K gold. I'll apply this at the highest point of my face. So I just sprayed the brush with some coconut water spray. So I'm going to blend this. So this package comes with a pump. Even if it's plastic, it still comes with a pump, which is a plus. It's good. This has oh Lord, this has a red undertone. Oh my god, this is so red. It's too red. So I'm going to take my concealer by Maybelline in 50. I'm going to apply this in between. I need some gold into my life. They seem to forget about we that we are gold in undertone. This will help remove the excess foundation from the face and also blend. So I'm going to use the Big Cosmetic Flawless Duo Concealer. So I use this to highlight my face. Apply this on my under eyes using my finger. Guys, I will recommend this concealer. Before blending it, I already recommend it. Like seriously, this concealer is good. It's very easy to blend. Can you see that? I'm taking Sasha. Let's use Sasha. I'll continue using the Revolution concealer in C15. I'll blend using the Elise Beauty brush. I'm going to go back with the sponge as always and use this to blend out any harsh line. So I'm going to take this Casino palette by W7, this, the Berry Tone blush. You apply the blush up to give your face that lift. I'm just going to dust the center of my face. So I'm using the MUA like rich brown pencil. This is the pencil I always use. You guys know that already. So I'm going to take the Afunke Brow Pomade. I have a discount code. You can get 10% off, I think 10 or 15% off. Afunke Cosmetic. Our website link at the description bar. Just use the concealer by Maybelline to clean the brows. This is a small concealer brush to just blend that. This is eyeshadow base by F, the F eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow palette by Afunke Cosmetic. I'm going to use the shade and the shade as a traditional color. Eyes, that's all I need for now. It's an initial color for the eyes. I'm doing like a very quick look. You guys know me, I keep it very simple with the eyes sometimes. I'm going to take this Elise Beauty. This is a liquid eyeshadow. I need to apply more before it gets dry. I need this to dry. You have to fan it. So I've noticed I have to leave it to dry. I'm taking this color right here. like I'm being too dramatic with this look. It's looking like it's too much. I'm going to use this to blend the crease. And I like using one palette for everything, so it should be easy. Go for the orange shade we used for the crease before, then apply that. I'm going to take this liner by I Heart Revolution. So there are 4 colors. Just push up the one you want, then twist it. You need to twist it to get the product out. The fact that you have 4 liners in here is really good. It's a good deal. And you can get this from Superdrug. To smoke out my under eyes using the transition colors. This color. This one right here. We'll take this one. I'll apply this. To be using this eyelash lashes. And dust of this excess powder on my face. To set my face, like drain. I'm going to drain my face. So taking my lip liner by Georgiana. Laure. I'm going to use the GW London highlighter palette, like glow it. Mix some colors right here. So just spray this. Okay guys, this is the final look. Just had to bring my hair forward. And guys, if you want to see the hair tutorial about this hair, me talking about the hair, I'm going to link it at the description bar if you're interested. If you have any more questions on this look and the product, I always listed at the description bar. So if you have any question, anything, suggestion, let me know at the comment section. You know I love your feedback. Let me know. And please guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. We are all begging. Please subscribe. Alright guys, and for the foundation that I used today, I would say the foundation shade, not really a fan. It lean more to the red undertone than like I'm a golden undertone. It lean more to the red undertone than the golden undertone. So yeah, that was the only con. The foundation was flawless. It feels really nice on the face. As you can see, my face look flawless. Recommend the concealer. That concealer is amazing. But for the foundation, I just need to like work on the shade range. That's all I have to say. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.